Hello friend, welcome to AstroViz with Sanjeev Basin and welcome to a new edition of the new transit which is playing up in April. It's the 9th of April and we've seen a lot of to and fro globally. Commodities have sold off, Donald Trump's tariffs are playing havoc all over the world on stock markets, and another part is general well-being has been under pressure. This is not a story of the last week or the last month, it is almost 2 years. Saturn on 29th has transited into Pisces. And in Pisces, he's in conjunction with Rahu. This is an occurrence happening after 57 years. Yes, correct. Read my lips. 57 years. And that is why this conjunction is playing a lot of volatility into your personal lives. And it has also been, a weak spot as far as health goes, as far as finances goes. I have also seen a lot of breakup in, very, very sound marriages and a lot of footing on negative feeling on relationships and so on. But the biggest problem has been money. Jupiter is the lord of Pisces and Pisces is a moksha bhav. Now Rahu there does not see anything to do with moksha. He makes you more desirous. And getting into that conflict is, now that Saturn has come there, it is added fuel to the fire. However, this transit is from 29th March till 18th of May. But there is a mini miracle on the cards, and that is why I have come to you. So read my lips. On the 14th, Rahu mean will cross Saturn. So I would say that the 14th is a very key day. Rahu is 1.5 degree in Pisces, and Saturn will cross it on the 14th. Once the crossing takes place, you would expect a lot of sanity to emerge. Reason being, there's an exalted Venus and there is a debilitated Mercury with them. And on the 14th is also the Sun Sankranti. Sun moves into Aries. It's the first house for Sun. So I think that the 14th is going to be nothing short of a mini miracle for relationships, for health, and for general well-being. Also on the cards is that Jupiter, which is sitting in Taurus, has not been in a very good relationship with both his houses. He's in a 3-11 with his moksha bhav and he's in a 6-8 with his house of money. So both those are going to change. On the 14th, when you see this transit that Saturn and Rahu cross, they will be there in that same house till the 18th of May. But after the 14th, you will see a mini miracle. Relationships will do well, health will do well, general well-being, and the money supply starts to ease. Your mind will be in more of a, calmer place as Saturn stays there, because Saturn is also very happy in a moksha bhav, but the deceitment of Rahu is causing the stress. So if you see this miracle happen, please text me or WhatsApp me on 70429268880. I repeat, text me or WhatsApp me on 70429268880. Bye.